Deciphering, heaving, in English. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating English word, heaving. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and know how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. Heaving is the present participle of the verb heave. At its most basic, heave means to lift or haul up with effort. Imagine lifting a heavy box or pulling up an anchor. That action is heaving. Example: the workers were heaving the boulders onto the truck. Sometimes, heaving is used in a descriptive way, especially when referring to something that moves up and down, like the chest when someone is breathing heavily. Example: after running a marathon, her chest was heaving as she tried to catch her breath. In more informal contexts, heaving can be used to describe a place that's crowded or bustling with activity. Example: the party was heaving with people. There was hardly any room to move. For those who love the sea, heaving has a specific nautical meaning too. It refers to the upward and downward movement of a ship, especially when it's in rough seas. Example: the boat was heaving on the choppy waters, making all the passengers feel uneasy. And there we have it. From lifting heavy objects to describing crowded places, heaving is a versatile word in the English language. We hope this video has shed some light on its various uses. Remember, English is full of such intriguing words, so keep exploring and happy learning.